This is our friend Devang at Don't Panic YouTube channel. Today is Mother's Day. So today we will give a surprise to our mothers with delicious chocolate mug cake for their unconditional love. So without any delay, let's start with the eggless chocolate mug cake recipe. For this, take a cup and start adding 2 tablespoons of flour, tablespoons of flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, which I have here, one tablespoon of cocoa powder, which I have it here, if you don't have this, you can replace it with Milo powder, 1 tablespoon of milk powder. This is optional. If you don't have this, you can skip it. One tablespoon of melted butter. I don't have butter, so I am using ghee. That is clarified butter, which is just right over here. One-fourth teaspoon vanilla essence, which I have it here in a small. It gives the smell of vanilla in the cake. 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, which I have it here. Yup. A pinch of baking soda, which I have it here in this spoon. A pinch of salt. I'm going to put it here in it. A pinch. Okay. Now add 2.5 tablespoons of cold milk, which I have it here. Now mix it well with a fork, which I'm going to do it. Now we'll add few chunks of chocolate, which I have here, and later we'll put some for decoration. I'll put a little more. Okay, let's mix it again so the taste is good also. And now here is our batter. Can you see it? Can you see it? Okay. So now we are going to put it in this microwave for 2 minutes, as you can look here. Let me put it. Let me start. It will cook in 2 minutes, okay? Okay, now it's done. Let's see how does it look. It looks awesome, right? Okay. So let me see if it's cooked well with this. Wow. It's awesome. Here we'll put the chocolate syrup here. So here we'll put some chocolate syrup with the design. Okay, so here you can see the chocolate cake. Awesome. Let's put some few chunks of chocolate. And here we're done with the chocolate mug cake. Now this mug cake you can give it to your mother. Let's try it. How tasty is it? See, you can actually see it. It's very tasty. It looks awesome too. Let's take a closer look. Okay. Now let me taste it. How did it bake? Yum! It's tasty. Please subscribe our channel and like our video. Bye. You can note down the recipe from here.